Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Manasi, and today we're going to be diving deep into a topic that doesn't get enough attention: acne in men. Men's skin is biologically different, which is why it requires a slightly modified approach. Today we'll discuss how to build a solid skincare routine for men, common myths that could be worsening your acne, and what products to look for. So let's get started. But what makes men's skin different? Men's skin is thicker and also produces more sebum or oil due to increased testosterone. But their skin is also more resilient, which means it can tolerate actives like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, and even retinoids, which may not be suitable for sensitive skin. But what is the basic skincare routine for men with acne? Well, you don't need 10 steps, just a simple routine with cleansers, serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Start with a gentle cleanser. Look for one that's designed for acne-prone skin with ingredients like salicylic acid, which can help to unclog pores and reduce oiliness without being too harsh. Use this twice a day, in the morning and before bed. Next comes treatment. This could be a serum, gel, or even a spot treatment. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide if you're dealing with active breakouts, or niacinamide to help reduce inflammation and control oil production. After treatment, follow up with a moisturizer even if your skin is oily. Skipping moisturizer just makes your skin produce even more oil to compensate. Look for something lightweight and gel-based. And finally, sunscreen. Every single day, even if you're mostly indoors or if it's cloudy outside. The sun can worsen post-acne pigmentation and make acne scars linger longer. Choose a gel-based broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. That's it, just 4 steps: cleanser, treatment, moisturizer, and sunscreen. And remember, consistency is key. Now let's clear up some common myths about acne I often hear from my male patients. First is that acne only occurs in your teens. But actually, a lot of men, especially in their 20s, 30s, and 40s, get adult acne. This can be due to a lot of factors like stress, shaving, lifestyle, and even diet. So if you've left your teens behind but still get acne, don't ignore it. Another myth I commonly hear is that shaving reduces acne. While shaving does exfoliate the upper dead skin cells, it can also lead to irritation, inflammation, and small cuts, especially if you're using a dull blade or poor quality shaving cream. This irritation can make acne worse, not better, especially if you're prone to it. Lastly, overwashing your face. A lot of men tend to wash their face more than twice a day. This can lead to stripping your skin of its natural oil, which can then lead to your skin overcompensating by producing more oil, which can clog your pores and worsen acne. So remember to stick to twice a day. So what products to look for? The skincare aisle, especially the men's section, can be pretty overwhelming. A lot of these products are heavily fragranced with marketing terms like power scrub or deep clean, which can be too harsh for acne-prone skin. You don't just have to stick to the men's section. You can look for products that are non-comedogenic, fragrance-free if you have sensitive skin, and oil-free. Fragrance is a common irritant in aftershaves and moisturizers. If your skin feels dry, red, or itchy after using a fragrance product, it could be that your skin is sensitive to fragrance. When it comes to shaving and aftershaves, avoid anything with alcohol. Alcohol can dry your skin and even cause stinging. Instead, look for calming ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera to help prevent ingrown hair or bumps. There are now a variety of products that are gentle and actually well formulated. Remember, you don't have to use products that say for men. Skincare is skincare. Use what works for your skin regardless of packaging. Lifestyle habits. Skincare isn't just about products, your lifestyle matters too. Apart from diet and stress, let's add a quick note on gym habits. After working out, don't sit around too long in sweaty clothes or without cleansing your skin. While sweat itself isn't the problem, but combined with bacteria and friction, it can lead to body acne or back acne. Remember, acne is not just about skincare products, your lifestyle matters too, so please be mindful of it. So I hope you found this video helpful. I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, please remember to like and share and subscribe to SSBeauty for more content. I'll see you in the next video.